Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to Sci Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a display comparison between the Realme 5S versus the Y9 Prime device. So before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Friends, I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and a lot of comparison reviews as well. So you can check the links in description for more comparison videos and a playlist of all the smartphones. So don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon as well. So you can check the playlist of various smartphones as you can see here. So even I categorize the display comparison which I did on all different mobile phones as you can see. So I'll keep the link in the description. Even in the comment section below I'll pin this link so everyone can access to the display comparisons with all other smartphones. So right now in this video I'll be just comparing side by side with the Realme 5S versus the Y9 Prime. So both the phones are having 6.5 inches and Y9 has the 6.59 inches, slightly higher, and the resolution is of 1080 and the 720 resolution on Realme 5S device. And the Realme 5S comes with the IPS panel, whereas the Y9 Primes come with the LTPS IPS panel. So that means you get extra brightness levels in the Y9 Prime device. So in this video I'm going to play a video in both the phones, same video, and let's check which phone is better in terms of the viewing angles and which looks perfect while watching the movies in the mobile phones. So you can see the side viewing angles of both the devices, how it looks. So overall guys, the Y9 Prime doesn't have any notch on the top, so it looks pretty good while watching the videos in the Realme 5 in the Y9 Prime. So right now I'm using the maximum brightness level, as you can see here clearly. So I can feel the Y9 Prime has got a little bit of high saturation levels when compared with the normal Realme 5S device. So even the Realme 5S device is good, but having the 1080 resolution is pretty advantage nowadays instead of 720 resolution. So overall guys, the viewing angles are pretty good. So now let me try to decrease the brightness in both the phones and let's check which phone is brighter. So let me try to decrease the brightness to the 10% in both the phones. So at this range, the Y9 Prime is slightly brighter than the Realme 5S device. So now let me try to decrease the brightness even more to 5%. So as you can see friends, 5% range, the Y9 Prime is a little bit bright. Let me decrease brightness to 0. So this is how it looks in the 0 brightness. The Realme 5S is little bit brighter if you use low brightness levels. So overall guys, this is the quick display comparison between both the phones, Realme 5S and Y9 Prime. So the clear winner is a Y9 Prime device. Having the 1080 resolution is clearly helpful nowadays when you're buying the device instead of 720 resolution. So these are my overall impressions and a lot of display comparison reviews between both the phones. So for more future videos, subscribe to my channel Sci Guru. See you in the next video guys, and then stay tuned. Bye.